When we went off to business, this, if you would, element of accomplishment emerged, which it didn't emerge in talking about consumers. And what we found in business is that information takes a greater role than it does in consumers. Consumers may want to go see what the latest news is to keep themselves from being bored, or check in on their friends, as we'll talk about in a minute. But when it comes to business, keeping your pulse on the ever-moving activities of work and business is something that is so powerful for people, and having their information ready to hand. Whether we're talking about wanting to know what activities your team has completed while you've been doing something else, whether we're talking about a shift in practice, whether we're talking about standing at a patient's bed and opening up Hippocrates to see what the drug implications are of a particular thing, whether we're talking about having the information on your iPad of a resident who can teach a student in the moment waiting for the next operation to start. We are talking about the need for and the wish for the immediacy of information. We're talking about access to information. Where one of my favorite ones was a financial guy who walked the manufacturing line in order to show people what was going on here and now in the line and in the business, so that they can think about it in the context of their everyday. So when we talk about accomplishment from a business perspective, we have to recognize that information is intimately tied. And so we call that dipping into the stream, to keep our pulse on the finger of ever-changing activities that people may produce or that are going on in our field.